Welcome sa Invested. So today, marami nag-request sa inyo na i-update daw natin ang Cosco Capital Incorporated. So kung ready na kayo, stay ka lang and I'll show you how. Welcome to PES Warrior, the place of future investor. Come to get inspired. Bago tayo magsimula, inaanyayahan ko muna kayo na i-subscribe itong ating channel para maging updated ka sa mga bagong videos na lalabas. And also, huwag mo na rin kakalimutan na i-like itong ating video para marami pang potential investor ang maabot itong ating channel. And samahan nyo ako na pataasin natin guys yung less than 1% na nag-i-invest dito sa ating bansa. Okay? Tignan natin dito guys, yung current price ni Cosco Capital Incorporated ay nasa 5.16 pesos per share. And kung titignan natin dito yung kanyang 52-week high ay nasa 5.95 pesos per share. And 52-week low ay nasa 4.80 pesos per share. And currently, nang time na nire-review natin itong Cosco Capital, yung kanyang market cap ay nasa 37.32 billion pesos. And yung kanyang dividend yield ngayon ay nasa 1.54%. Compare natin yung ilang sales from 2019 to 2020, nakikita natin na umangat yung 6.7% yung kanilang sales in 2020. And also kung titignan natin dito guys, yung kanilang revenue breakdown. So guys, yung pinakamalaking nagko-contribute sa kanilang revenue ay ang grocery retail na nasa 93.6%, liquor distribution na nasa 4.5%, real estate and property development na nasa 0.9%, and specialty retail. CEO ngayon ay si Mr. Leonardo Dayao. So this is the information ni Sir Leonardo. Kung gusto nyo basahin guys, so feel free to post. Magkaroon kayo ng idea kay Sir Leonardo Dayao. Makikita natin dito yung managers and members of the board ng company. So dito guys, nakikita natin na nasa very well experienced na yung kanilang managers and members of the board na namamalakad sa company. Dito nasa green flag tayo in terms of their management. In terms of profitability versus industries na kinabibilangan ni Cosco Capital, so guys, nakikita natin dito na nasa good value base ang company compared to industries na kinabibilangan niya. Titignan naman natin dito yung kanilang management effectiveness. So dito guys, nakikita natin na nasa good value base din ang company compared to the industries and also in other ratios. Titignan natin dito yung latest report sa Cosco. Yung kanilang first quarter earnings per share ay nasa inline compared to the earnings per share ng company in the first quarter of 2020. So the company reported the first quarter result with weaker revenue, although earnings were flat, profit margins improved. So the first quarter of 2020 results, so yung revenue ng company ay nasa 39.6 billion pesos, So down by 8.1% compared to the first quarter of 2020. And yung net income ng company ay nasa 1.4 billion pesos, flat compared to the first quarter of 2020. So the profit margin ay nasa 3.6%, up from 3.3% in the first quarter of 2020. So the increase in margin was driven by lower expenses. Okay, so ito yung nakita natin sa first quarter of 2021 report ng company. Tingnan natin dito guys yung revenue breakdown ng company from 2013 na nasa 48.97 billion pesos, and fast forward to 2020 yung kanilang revenue na ay nasa 180.47 billion pesos. So currently, in 2020, ito yung pinakamalaki nilang revenue na kinita. So dito nakikita natin over the years nag-grow yung kanilang revenue. Now, kung titignan naman natin dito yung kanilang gross margin, nakikita natin in 2013 na nasa 9.4%, and fast forward to 2020 yung kanilang gross margin na nasa 19.6%. So dito nakikita natin na talagang solid yung kanilang gross margin over the years. Yung pinakamababa nila na gross margin ay noong 2017 na nasa 16.7%, and currently yung kanilang gross margin ay nasa 20%. Okay? So kung titignan naman natin dito guys yung kanilang net income from 2013 na nasa 2.4 billion pesos, fast forward to 2020, yung kanilang net income na ay nasa 5.9 billion pesos. So dito guys nakikita natin na bumaba to the 2019 na net income. And currently, yung kanilang net income in trailing 12 months ay nasa 5.89 billion pesos. Also guys, kung titignan natin dito yung kanilang dividends over the years, so from 2014, yung kanilang dividends na binibigay sa kanilang mga shareholders ay nasa 6 centavo dividend per share. And fast forward to 2020, yung kanilang binibigay na dividend ay nasa 8 centavo dividend per share. Noong 2016 and 2018 lang sila hindi nakapagbigay ng dividend. But over the years, talagang nag-grow yung kanilang dividend na binibigay sa kanilang mga shareholders. And also, isa pang highlight sa company, nakikita natin dito yung kanilang free cash flow from 2013 na 2.5 billion pesos. And fast forward to 2020, yung kanilang free cash flow na ay nasa 15.3 billion pesos. So dito guys, over the years, nag-grow yung kanilang free cash flow. However, in terms of trailing 12 months, yung kanilang free cash flow na lang ay nasa 3.5 billion pesos. So dito nakita natin na although bumaba yung kanilang free cash flow in trailing 12 months, at kung titignan natin, ito ay nasa positive side. Ano ang kagandahan dito sa company from 2013 to 2020, nakikita natin na positive yung kanilang working capital over the years. So this is a very good and positive sign. So kung titignan natin dito in terms of key ratios natin sa Cosco Capital Incorporated, so in terms of net margins ng company from 2030, nasa 5% yung kanilang net margins. Fast forward to 2020, yung kanilang net margins na lang ay nasa 3.27%. So dito bumaba yung kanilang net margins. Okay, so dito sinasabi sa atin ng net margins na in every 1 peso na benta ng company, 3.27% nun ay tubo na nila. So sobrang baba ng kanilang net margins, no? And also nakikita natin na talagang naapektuhan itong company ng pandemic na nangyari, no? Also guys, kung titignan natin yung return on equity over the years ng Cosco Capital, yung kanilang return on equity from 2013 na nasa 12%, fast forward to 2020 ay nasa 8.19% na lang. So dito over the years bumaba yung kanilang return on equity. So sa mga bago pa lang sa pag-i-invest, yung ibig sabihin ng return on equity, kung gaano kagaling ang management to handle others people's money. And also kung titignan naman natin dito yung kanilang return on invested capital from 2013 na nasa 9.26%, fast forward to 2020 yung kanilang return on invested capital ay nasa 6.25% na lang. So dito guys, bumaba over the years din yung kanilang return on invested capital. So dito, kung i-compare natin yung return on equity versus sa return on invested capital, so nakikita natin na mayroong difference sa growth rate ng company. So dito guys, sinasabi sa atin yung utang na kinikater ngayon ang company. Now, ang tanong, kaya ba nilang masustain yung kanilang utang na kinikater ngayon? So dito natin siya makikita no, sa interest coverage. So dito nakikita natin na kaya naman nilang punan yung kanilang utang na kinikater ngayon. So kung gusto natin makita dito, at least nasa 3 yung kanyang interest coverage. No? So dito magaling sila magbayad ng kanilang utang. Okay? In short, manageable naman yung kanilang utang na kinikater ngayon. Tingnan natin dito guys yung financial liquidity ng Cosco Capital Incorporated. So kung titignan natin dito yung kanilang current ratio from 2013 na nasa 2.16, and fast forward guys to 2020, yung kanilang current ratio na ay nasa 3.60. So dito guys, sinasabi sa atin na nasa healthy position ang company, no? So mas malaki yung kanilang current assets kaysa sa kanilang current liability. Kung titignan naman natin dito yung kanilang debt to equity from 2013, ayan ay nasa 0.13. Fast forward guys to 2020, yung kanilang debt to equity ay nasa 0.57 debt to equity. Although guys, nakikita natin na over the years nag-grow yung kanyang debt to equity. So, ang gusto sana natin makita dito guys, no, sa kanilang debt to equity in 2020 ay nasa 0.40 pababa. Medyo mataas yung kanilang debt to equity. Pero kung tatanungin niya ako guys, kung manageable ba yung kanilang debt to equity? Yes, manageable naman yan, no? So nakita natin siya dun sa ating interest coverage. Tignan naman natin dito guys sa mga competitors ng company. So nakikita natin dito in terms of revenue in trailing 12 months. So yung may pinakamalaking revenue ay ang SMC. Susundan ng JU Summit Holdings Incorporated. And pangatlo ang Cosco Capital Incorporated. Na pagdating sa net income in trailing 12 months, may pinakamalaking kinikita ay ang DMC. Susundan ng GT Capital Holdings Incorporated, SMC, and Cosco Capital Incorporated. Also in terms of market cap, ang Cosco yung may pinakamababa, no? Now, in terms of beta, nakikita natin dito na mas less volatile ang company compared to the market, so to the competitors ng company. Yung may pinaka-volatile na movement ay ang GT Capital Holdings Incorporated na nasa 1.73. Now, in terms of price to earnings ratio, good value base ang Cosco Capital Incorporated compared to the market and also compared to the competitors. In terms of price to book, sinasabi sa atin na mas undervalue ang Cosco compared to the competitors, and also nasabi din sa atin na price to book na undervalue ang company. Likewise, sa price to cash flow ng company and price to sales, sinasabi dito sa atin na undervalue ang company. So guys, in terms of multiple valuation, sinasabi sa atin na nasa good value base ang Cosco Capital Incorporated compared to the market and also to the competitors ng company. Guys, nakikita natin yung top shareholders ngayon ng company. 36.5% came from Lucio Ko. Okay, and 24.70% came from Susan Ko and the rest of top shareholders ng company. And also guys, nakikita natin dito yung mga bumili and nagbenta ngayon. Tignan natin dito yung aking nakuhang current fair value ngayon sa Cosco ay nasa 8.53 pesos per share. So dito guys, clearly ang company ay undervalue ng 68.91%. And kung titignan natin dito guys sa COL Financial, yung kanilang fair value ay nasa 11.90 pesos per share. EV to EV the method to DCF valuation guys, sinasabi sa atin na ang Cosco Capital Incorporated ay nasa undervalue. In my conclusion, yes, maganda yung fundamentals ng Cosco Capital Incorporated ngayon, and also ang kagandahan dito sa company, undervalue ang company, you know, in terms of multiple valuation and in terms of competitors analysis natin, no, mas undervalue talaga ang company. And also talagang manageable naman yung kanilang utang na kinikater ngayon. So that's a very good and positive sign. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video sa pagre-review sa company. So maraming salamat sa mga nag-request nito. And this is PC Warrior, nagpapaalalang, invest wisely, and see you on the other side. Maraming salamat sa panonood. So if you want to expand your investing knowledge, make sure na nakasubscribe ka and pindutin mo na rin ang bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong videos na lalabas dito sa ating channel. And once again, this is PC Warrior na nagpapaalalang invest wisely and see you on the other side.